An outbreak of lead poisoning tied to pouches of cinnamon applesauce for children is under investigation, and one official says it could have been intentional. The FDA is looking at 3 brands, Wanabana, Wise, and Schnucks, all made in Ecuador. Now, as Meg Oliver reports, the CDC now is reporting at least 125 cases of possible lead poisoning across 22 states.
I never thought in a million years that my son would be a lead poisoned child.
Sarah and Ricky Callahan learned that their son Rudy had lead poisoning during a routine exam in August, shortly after his first birthday. They say it took months of testing their home, water supply, and their own blood for answers before determining what they alleged to be the source, Wanabana brand cinnamon applesauce pouches. The Callahans are now suing the company for damages.
To realize that those were the culprit, I think anger was very much our initial response.
Wanabana is one of 3 companies the FDA has identified as having cinnamon applesauce products tainted with lead. In an interview with Politico, an FDA's official said it could be an intentional act on the part of someone in the supply chain. The FDA is still investigating several theories behind the contamination.
The FDA isn't struggling, it's failing when it comes to environmental contaminants in general.
Dr. Leonardo Trusande is the director of the NYU Langone Center for the Investigation of Environmental Hazards. He told us this about the effects of lead in children.
Key connections in the brain that are crucial for attention and learning are disrupted, and the effects are therefore permanent and lifelong.
Challenges like those are exactly what the Callahans are worried about for their 15-month-old son.
We've identified a little bit of a speech delay, and we're working to correct that.
It's not something that's going to go away tomorrow. This is something that will be with my son for the rest of his life.
Meg Oliver, CBS News.
CBS News did reach out to Wanabana for a comment, including on the Callahans' lawsuit, and has not heard back. Wise and Schnucks were also contacted, but there's been no response from them either. The